Hey there, welcome to my channel. So I'm going to show you how to make this tutu. It has ribbon at the end and it makes it fluffy and nice and perfect for a photo shoot or just daily use with your little daughters. So I'm going to start with the materials. I'm going to be using two, and in this case I'm using red. I'm going to use ribbon as well, red, and I'm going to use this crochet band, but you can use ribbon or any other thing you want to use. I'm going to make this tutu for this one set I made, and I also made a tutorial for this, so if you want to check it out, check the description box. These are the measurements I'm going to be using for the tutu. I already have my pattern cut out. You can change it accordingly to your daughter's age and size. So I'm gonna start going around the pattern a couple of times just so I can have multiple layers of the tulle and it'll be easier than cutting one by one. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this. I have the mark there where it says cut, that way I know I have to cut that side. And now I have long strips of tulle. I will take the ribbon and I'm gonna measure the width of the tulle, and I'm gonna cut strips enough to cover the whole tutu. I don't have the exact number of stripes I use. It will vary depending on how many or how big your tutu is. So I'm gonna heat seal the ends on each ribbon. This might take a little while, but it's important to do so it doesn't fray. Now I'm gonna get the crochet band, the headband, and I'm gonna get one of those strips of tulle and I'm gonna put it through one of the holes. You can make this as close as you want. I decided to skip one or two of the crochet holes because it was just too much and it was getting bunched up. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill all of this up, that way I can show you what the next step is. For the next step, we are gonna start adding the ribbon at the end. I separated each strand of the tutu with rubber bands just to make it easier but to add the ribbon, but once I'm gonna add it, I'll remove it obviously. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the strap of tulle and I'm gonna start sewing the ribbon at the end. Just make sure to follow the fold of the ribbon. If it's folding downwards, you want to place it that way in the tulle, that way it'll roll up and give it that nice effect to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish a couple of these and you are basically done. It is really simple to make. It looks adorable and you can combine different colors for this. So I hope you find this tutorial simple and fun, and if you like it, don't forget to share it Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, and give me a like. Let me know what you think about it on the comments below, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.